The Vitromite build system was an ideal choice for this eco-swimming pool project. The building shell, constructed using Vitromite's all-composite, structural panel system, was erected in just a couple of days. A custom-sized crane system was used to lift the panels into place, which is also ideally suited for restricted access locations and its minimal impact to the surrounding landscaping. A low roof height design maintained its anonymity within an urban housing estate. And without the need for external cladding nor internal linings, a simple paint system was applied to give it its clean, vibrant look. However, this does not mean you cannot add to it your own custom expression of color, or any other traditional surface or effect. The possibilities are endless. So why not trust the Vitromite build system for your next fast, ultra-efficient build project? Visit us at www.vitromite.co.uk for more information.